very genuine
Yeah.
thing. मगर आप लोगों को ऑफर्स तो बहुत आती होंगी
Yeah,
ड्रामों
we've-
की कितनी
Amana,
कुछ है कुछ बता
Amna,
कितने स्क्रिप्ट मिले होंगे फवाद और आपको
Amna,
इकट्ठे
can you imagine कि हमने हमसफर के बाद पहली दफा एक्टिंग में
हाँ
मौला जट में हम एक दूसरे के सामने खड़े
नहीं
हुए।
मुझे पता है
Yeah.
एक लक्स का ऐड था बीच में
या बट मतलब मेरा
मगर
मतलब
acting
है
नहीं थी,
कि
हाँ,
हाँ मेरा मतलब है कि डायलॉग्स एक दूसरे को
बिल्कुल।
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे तो याद ही नहीं कि मैं
हाँ।
यू नो कि ये बट इट जस्ट फ्लोड
हाँ
इट जस्ट फ्लोड
मगर कितने स्क्रिप्ट आए होंगे
बहुत
बहुत सारे
बहुत सारे
और एड्स आए होंगे कि
बहुत सारे।
एक शायद टक का एड था भी नहीं एक्वाफिना का था जो कट्टे किया था
हमसफर
वो
के टाइम
हमसफर के टाइम पे था
बहुत एड्स बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत सारे फोटोशूट्स
हाँ
और हम दोनों जो हैं वो बाय नेचर वो तो खैर वो भी लेजी हैं और मैं भी लेजी हूँ मैं उनसे ज्यादा काम करती हूँ ये तो है
वो हमने देख लिया है
Yeah, I mean, I keep working on a film after film or, you know, project after project. But yeah, we are two lazy bums basically. And we also feel, look, again, I don't know, I'm speaking for him because he's does not speak. So I'll take the liberty to speak for him. I think we're also, we've been made conscious of the fact that we have this pairing and
Yeah.
magic and blah. So we're also a little conscious of the fact that why should we waste it
Absolutely.
and constantly be doing something with
बिल्कुल
each
सही है,
other, you
हाँ।
know? When we will find something to do, like Mola Jat for instance, we did it, even though it's not a love story.
Of course.
But I think I hope that it's iconic,
हाँ
you know?
yeah
That
legendary
yeah, I hope so. I hope this yeah, it's legendary that these two played the hero and this is the heroine of the, you know, it's Mola Jat and Mukho. So that way we both spoke about it.
yeah
That yeah, man, maybe I should do this.
yeah
Yeah. So
नहीं तो अच्छा है मेरे ख्याल है मैं भी आई बिलीव इन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक्सक्लूसिविटी बहुत
Yeah.
ज़्यादा भी आप पब्लिक को दे दें तो फिर उनको आदत सी खराब हो जाती है लोगों की।
like, you know, even Bilal के साथ, Bilal Ashraf के साथ और इन सबको मेरे साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि मुझे नहीं मजा आता शेयरिंग BTS एंड I don't know शायद I think I'm old school that way maybe
बिल्कुल
because I've been, you know, वो
हमारा ओल्ड स्कूल इज गुड एक्चुअली मेरे ख्याल है थोड़ा
Really?
थोड़ा वापस जाना चाहिए ओल्ड स्कूल की तरफ उनकी मैजिक ही और थी ना इसलिए कि
Maybe.
नहीं थे इतने एक्सेसिबल स्टार्स
हाँ।
एक ज़माने में
और पता नहीं मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता अब जो मैं सेट पे हूँ मैं सेट पे नाचती हूँ गाती हूँ और जोक्स करती हूँ वो मेरी प्राइवेट एक
हाँ बिल्कुल
स्पेस
सही है
यू नो और वो मैं नहीं चाहती कि बाहर जाए
बिल्कुल सही है
So Bilal always says to me, "This is good for the film, you know, we'll go like this, we'll do this, and you know, all these pictures and this." I mean, can you imagine, Amna, for the first time I went to Lux with somebody, with a guy, I did not know what to do. Because I just don't. मैं तो अकेले जाती हूँ. Twing, twing, twing. And I was like, "Ugh." So, enter होते वक्त, we were like, I was like, look, I don't know what to do. So he's like, okay, should we like come hand in hand? I said, no. No. So that's how old school I am. I'm like, this is not my husband. This is not my fiance. So why should I hold his
So
hand?
maybe that's what makes you who you are, right?
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe it just makes me boring.
No, it doesn't make you boring. And you look, by the way, you looked fabulous at that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
I think I think there's a split on the.
No, but you look
Okay.
fabulous. It was very sort of, you know, fantasy kind of. It was great. Acha, coming back to Superstar and Bilal. Now, Bilal's not had a successful film yet. I mean, Rangreza didn't do very well. And extremely good-looking man. And I think has the urge to do really well on camera, but has struggled a bit to achieve that level of people taking him seriously as an
Yes,
actor.
yes.
He must have looked up to you during the film, or I mean, what kind of relationship did you guys have?
So, you know, जब बिलाल को मोमना ने फाइनल किया, तो I don't think मुझे इतनी कॉल्स और मैसेजेस कभी आए हैं. ये क्या है? ये क्यों है? You can decide who your co-actor is. It's like I've never decided who my co-actor is. Never. So I'm not about to do it now. I've suggested people, no doubt, you know, but never said कि ये नहीं होगा या ये कर, you know. And of course, there was this worry because actually Superstar जितनी नूर की फिल्म है ना, नूर की कहानी है, उतनी ही या शायद उससे ज़्यादा समीर की है. Because conflict तो सारा समीर ही है, you know, and it's a very important role. खैर, so I said ठीक है, जिसकी किस्मत में था उसकी किस्मत में आया. हमने जब शुरू किया ना तो he started taking theatre lessons.
Yes, I heard.
Yeah. And I used to go on and off with him. And slowly and I saw how hard he was working. और मेरा ये एक बहुत बड़ा belief है. Talent अपनी जगह, मेहनत अपनी जगह. Obviously अगर combined हो तो फिर तो चार चांद लग जाते हैं. लेकिन जब आप मेहनत करते हैं ना और आपकी नीयत वो होती है कि ये मुझे करना है, तो फिर आप कर देते. पहली दफा जब हमने सीन किया है, I was shocked. I was like, what is he doing?
Yeah.
Just the way he's done it, and I hope that आप देखिएगा. मैं ज़्यादा कहना नहीं चाहती क्योंकि शायद लगे कि मैं
अपनी फिल्म को प्रमोट
कर रही हूँ, लेकिन बिलाल ने वाकई अच्छा काम किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. And yes, he used to ask me, I used to tell him whatever I could. मैं उसको वही कहती थी जो मेरे डायरेक्टर्स ने मुझे हमेशा बोला है. सरमद ने
कि क्या?
सरमद हमेशा कहता है कि लाइन पे ईमान लाओ. जैसे हम ईमान लाते हैं, उसको उस लाइन पे ईमान ले आओ. जब आप ईमान ले आए तो फिर तो वो
खुद बोलेगी,
वो आपकी आंखें बोलेंगी. So honesty is so important, you know, especially in film because it's a big close-up and people are looking at you and they can see everything on your face and the eyes and, you know, it's just all there. So it should be honest, more than anything, more than it being technically good, more than I believe anything, it should be honest. So I used to tell him, I was like, just be honest. In this moment, let's be honest. And he was good. And he, you know, yes, 2 days ago we were together and he said, you've spoiled me. So he was like, you and Ehtisham Bhai, you guys have spoiled me. I think I'm going to have trouble. I said, yeah, you will. I was like, I said the same about Shah Rukh Khan.
Of course.
I tell Shah Rukh Khan, I'm spoiled.
Of course. But it's one equation with your co-star. Then there's another equation with your peers, with the women.
Yes.
Now, we know for a fact that a lot of young women in the industry, you make them very insecure, although you don't want to. They don't want to be in pictures with you and they're threatened by, you know, doing ads together or they're threatened by performing together.
I don't believe that, but okay.
How do you handle that? And, you know?
Like I said, I don't believe it.
मेरा ऐसा हुआ है ना, लेकिन ads में मतलब
हाँ हुआ है, लेकिन
nominations में कई दफ़ा actresses ने कहा है कि हमारे आने का भी क्या फ़ायदा, अगर मायरा nominated हैं तो वो ही जीतेंगी. या कोई ad है ऐसा तो उन्होंने कहा अगर 3 actresses हैं और उसमें ज़ाहिर बात है limelight तो मायरा होंगी तो हम क्यों उनके साथ cast हों ad में. तो ये होता रहा है. And we know that. I mean, you can be very modest and आप deny कर सकती हैं, लेकिन ऐसी बात नहीं है. How do you handle that? आप इतनी positive रहती हैं, even on Twitter, social media. I know you say the right thing. जैसे आपने कल ही tweet की ना, ये nastiness जो हो रही है, ये trolling हो रही है. And I think you must be referring to what people were wearing and the way they were criticized at the Lux Style Awards, या जिस तरह यासिर और इकरा को criticize किया जा रहा है कि you know सबने जान देनी है और क्या जवाब दोगे. How do you deal with negativity coming your way in this way from within the industry?
From within the industry. Yes. I think everybody has sort of now come to a realization about me that हम कुछ भी कह देंगे, ये कुछ बोलेगी नहीं, ये reply नहीं करेगी. और कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है ये अच्छी बात है, लेकिन कभी-कभी मेरा
दिल चाहता है.
You know, I really sometimes I'm like, but and because of that I think everybody, or not everybody, I wouldn't say everybody, but you know, they think it's okay to sort of say things and very and very casually say things, you know, whether it's about me getting an award whether it's about, I don't know, so many things. Like you said, there are so many things.